cough medicine and SSRIs or psychiatric medicines can be dangerous. Now, this isn't usually the case in over the counter doses, but as a psychiatric nurse practitioner that works with a ton of teenagers, unfortunately, kids are taking Robitussin in really high doses with dextromorphan, and they're calling it robo-tripping in order to get high. So if your kiddo is on a psychiatric medicine, make sure they know there's unique risks with dextromorphan and certain medicines that are over the counter sometimes. We all want our kids to be safe. Try that and follow me.